Best drop-in bathroom sinks. If you seeking best bathroom sink, you got the surprise this video only for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of bathroom renovations, specifically focusing on one of the most important features, drop-in bathroom sinks. Whether you're remodeling or just looking to upgrade, we've got the top picks for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what a drop-in sink is. These sinks are designed to be dropped into a pre-cut hole in your countertop, making installation a breeze. They're perfect for anyone who wants a stylish yet practical option in their bathroom. You'll often find them in both modern and traditional D. Here are some quick benefits of drop-in sinks. Easy installation, perfect for D'ers. Variety of styles, from modern to traditional, there's something for everyone. Affordable options, great choices for any budget. Versatile, suitable for different countertops like granite, quartz, or laminate. Now, let's get into our top picks for the best drop-in bathroom sinks of 2024. Each of these offers unique features to suit different styles and needs. First up is the Kohler K2030 Caxton. This sleek, rectangular sink is made from durable vitreous china and has a clean, modern look. It's easy to clean and resistant to chipping, making it perfect for everyday use. Plus, it comes in various colors to match your bathroom decor. Next, we have the American Standard 0333.012.020. This model features a classic oval shape and is available in several finishes, including white and bone. Its generous bowl size is great for functionality without sacrificing style. It also includes a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring peace of mind. Our third pick is the Moen 22110. With its contemporary design and built-in overflow, this sink is perfect for modern bathrooms. It's made from high-quality materials that ensure longevity, and the smooth finish makes it easy to wipe down after use. Coming in at number 4, we have the Vigo VGT1033. This stunning glass sink offers a unique aesthetic that adds a pop of color to any bathroom. Its handmade design means each sink is unique, and it's crafted to resist scratching and fading, ideal for a striking statement piece. Lastly, the Ruvati RVH8009. This stainless steel drop-in sink combines durability with a sleek design. It's particularly great for those who appreciate a modern, industrial look. The commercial-grade finish resists stains and scratches, and the deep basin provides ample space for washing up. By considering these factors, you can select the perfect drop-in sink that meets your needs and enhances your bathroom's aesthetic. Okay, which sink was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions about installation or maintenance, drop those too. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Check out our new video. And don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like if you enjoy.